Hey guys, I'm Lily, and today I am on this called Fat Attack. It sounds so gross, but I bet it's going to be so much fun. I have played this before and I'm on level 15 by the way, guys. The guy took my gut. Oh, I'm frozen, guys. Help me. The guy took my golden burrito. Oh well. Burrito. Oh, I'm getting massive now. I've leveled up already. 3, 5, 4, boom. I'm gonna fart out of my bum. You're kidding me? Dang. It didn't do anything. I'm struggling now this game, guys. You can't go in the water. That is what kills you, I guess. Oh, so I am getting less skinny as we play this game. Let's do this up again. I should have put on my name. B5 boom. If okay, you can fart out your bum. I didn't really mind, but you farted instead. So how about a fatacopter, which one hasn't killed them? Stop trying to kill me, people! Oh my god! Come on. Someone just killed us.
Oops! I thought you were running out quicker. I was supposed to win myself. Hey, John.
Round has finished, guys. So rounds. I didn't do good this round. Oh well. Let's. Okay, guys. I just fell. Anyway, fart. Okay, I'll fart. I just need. Into. Okay. Okay. It looks like poop. Yes, don't eat me, please. I have a superpower. Well, this game is so cool, I love it. Oh, I'm starting again! How is this, guys? How do I keep dead? I'm back in the game. B5. What does this say? Beans, the magical. The more you read, the more you The more you eat, the better you feel every meal. So beans, the magical fruit. The more you toot. Okay, that's already sounding disgusting. And then, the more you toot, the more you feel better. Okay. Before. Okay, that it is. Hey, going poop, you can't stop me. I'm going to select green slime everywhere. Okay. Smell goes and the dirty ghost smell. Wait, I'm gonna have this. Burrito binge. I'm taking it for burrito binge right now. Okay. So all you have got this, because I have this. Look, I had it for that plate. Why are you doing? Got the gold and the burrito and the other burrito that I didn't get. Okay, keep going. I'm getting massive, guys. Leveled up to level 17. This all recently. This is level 9. So I'm getting massive on it. Oh my god. Did I just run into the river? Oh, the round has now finished. This is the last round, guys. So yeah. I collected 41 beans. Someone collected 205 beans. What? Most hens spotted 31. Most player killed 10. Right. I didn't kill anyone. People died, but I didn't kill anyone. Oh, what is the top? It's gonna be found. Oh, two down. Yeah. Moon was literally flying, guys. Did you guys see that? Comment down below. Like, did you see that person just flying? With, like, walk flying kind of. No, you didn't get it. I keep. So annoying today. If I walk today, I have played another fun today and I can't do it. That was a YouTube video by the way. This is the last round, so I need to get a tail. All I want is a burrito. I like burritos. Oh my god, someone just double killed me. And other people. Right there, and I just stepped in it. Gross. I'm going to one of these, I'm just going to put them.
know that. 2 messages from my friend. So I am just gonna poop. Wait in front of this. Oh, I just jumped out of the way. Anyway, I'm just gonna. There's a poop right there, and the poop right there. You just have no poop, I don't know why. Then it doesn't work. I like that. It doesn't actually work. I do like that. This is the last round of my YouTube video. Come on, make it good. What does this say? Hey, diddle daddle the cat. I was reading and you. That's what it said anyway. Thank you, I was reading. Oh, I'm so mad. I'm just gonna stay here, I'm so mad. These people doesn't know they can go in. So I'm going to go in front of them and I'll go. What do they know? Yes, they actually do. That noise is a bathtub, so yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, missing. Sorry guys. Well, I don't actually have a YouTube channel anymore, but okay. Hey guys, I'm gonna have one more round just for you guys because I just spent all my time on my phone. Okay, that was all. Good. So this is my last round, guys. If Skylar, go and see Skylar. Oh, maybe the next stage of house, maybe. Or maybe, I don't know. Okay! Just do my phone. Oh no. That's it's a pig! It's a pig! I landed on an island, which is going to be mine and this boy's. I do not share. I am Mrs. Mean. So I am going to just fart. Fine, I'll just place a poop. Oh, massive! I can't see anything though. Look at me. I was moved. Did you see me? Boom! I'm on this island again. Okay. 3, 5, 4, 4. I'm going to get that before you. Yes. The last round is probably my favourite. That's kind of. I was thinking it's big poops. Let me double kill me, or else you will poop. And I will fart. There's a fart noodle. What is a fart noodle? get the fat needle away